Hello students, so here in this video we are going to talk about that how does blood circulate around the body. We know that blood is pumped around the body by the heart. Yes, heart is the main organ which is actually pumping the blood. Pump is the correct word. Some students use push, so that is not acceptable by many boards, so it's better to use the word pump. It is the keyword for that, and it takes about 30 seconds for the blood to go once around the body. So let's see here in this diagram, we are going to see from the left side. So from the left side of the heart, as you can see, it is filled with oxygenated blood, which is actually represented by red color, while on the right side, as you can see, it is blue, which is actually representing deoxygenated blood. So let's start from left hand side, which is actually pumping oxygen rich blood. So this blood is supplied to the body cells with oxygen. Okay, here when we are referring to body cells, this body cells means we are referring to all the middle and lower part of the body, means it is going to the digestive system, renal system, then down there in the limbs. Okay, so all this is actually providing oxygenated blood to the rest of the body, and it is done by the main artery in our body, which is actually called aorta. A-O-R-T-A, aorta. Okay, so this is the main artery. Now what gas does the blood then pick up from the body cells, and where does the blood go next? Means here in the body cells, what is happening? Respiration is happening, for which it needs oxygen, which is brought by aorta. Now here respiration has happened. Now what will happen? Which gas is going to be produced here? So which gas? Carbon dioxide is the product that has to be, it is actually a waste product that has to be excreted from the body. So means this blood should go back to the heart, where it is going to be excreted from the body. Okay, so here this one is what? Oxygen poor blood, which is actually, it has been brought to the heart back in vena cava. Okay, vena cava, V-E-N-A-C-A Vena cava is the main vein which is actually bringing the blood back, deoxygenated blood back from the body cells to the heart. So now it can go next to be excreted from the body. Okay, now from here, so since heart has collected deoxygenated blood, but how will it get rid of carbon dioxide? Okay, so now here what is going to happen in the next side, what will happen? This blood will go to the lungs. Yes, this blood will go to the lungs from the heart, which is done by pulmonary artery. So it is going to take oxygen poor blood to the lungs, whereas lungs it has breathing system that will actually inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. So here from the lungs, this carbon dioxide will be exhaled, and oxygen is inhaled, which will actually then bring back to the heart again, and this way the cycle goes on. Okay, this completes the blood's journey around the body. Okay, so this is how blood circulates. So as we see, let me recap that from the heart, oxygenated blood is brought to the body cells, middle and lower part of the body, by aorta, main artery. Then vena cava, it is actually bringing back the blood to the heart. Then from the heart, pulmonary artery is taking it to the lungs, where it will get rid of carbon dioxide and absorb oxygen back, and pulmonary vein will bring the blood back to the heart, and the cycle goes on. As we can see here in this, we can see that blood is passing through the heart twice in one complete cycle. Okay, this is the complete cycle. It is coming here one, then next round, so it is coming twice in one circuit, in one cycle, and that is why we call it double circulatory system. So I hope that you have understood here. Now we will move on to our next lecture. Thank you.